Hey guys, this is Ivy with WTI, and today I just wanted to share with you my new favorite lipstick and lip liner combo that I'm currently wearing right now. It's the D&M Lipstick 24-Hour Lip Liner. This D&M lipstick lip liner has so many benefits. For one, it's the 2-in-1 lipstick lip liner combo. It is so convenient to have both the lipstick and the liner in one pen that are both the exact same shade, so it is much easier for you to achieve the same makeup look with less products. I absolutely love the lip liner side. It is so smooth and the moisture formula is fantastic. I never felt like the lip liner was too harsh or rough on the edges, and it never dried out my lips. I also love the shade. I think it matches perfectly with my lip shade, and for me personally, that's a plus. And now once I'm done lining my lips, thanks to the intuitive design, all I have to do is flip it over, and then I can use the lipstick to fill in my contour. The lipstick shade matches perfectly with the lip liner, so with the contour created with the liner, this lipstick shade allows you to create a seamless makeup look. This formula leaves you with a beautiful, rich matte color that I absolutely love. It's also got great pigmentation, which allows it to be long-lasting. And here I do a swap test to test that out with both the lip liner and the lipstick. And as described, this lip liner and lipstick last up to 24 hours long wear and are resistant to both water and any touches or smudges. This by far has to be one of my favorite lipstick lip liner combos that I have purchased, and I recommend it to anyone, but that's just my point of view.